Understanding peer at someone in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into the phrase, peer at someone. This is a common expression, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. Peer at someone is a phrase used to describe the action of looking at someone closely or carefully, often because the person looking is trying to see more clearly or is curious. It's not just a casual glance, but a more intense or focused observation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from someone trying to recognize a friend in a crowd to a scientist observing a subject in detail. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. In a busy street, I peered at the faces in the crowd, trying to find my friend. 2. In a classroom, the teacher peered at the students' work, checking for mistakes. 3. In a mystery, the detective peered at the clues, searching for a breakthrough. These examples show how peer at can vary based on context but always involves that element of close, careful observation. Some learners confuse peer at with just looking or seeing. However, remember that peer at implies more effort and attention. It's not passive, it's an active form of looking. When using peer at, remember, it's often about trying to see something more clearly. It can express curiosity or concentration. It's more intense than just a casual glance. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, peer at someone, better. Remember, English is full of interesting phrases like this, and understanding them can really enrich your communication skills. Keep learning and exploring, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!